I hate that the seasonings are in the drawer. Can you fix it? Please?
I think I can take care of that. Okay. She wanted a spice rack, she'll get a spice rack. Didn't get footage of the beginning stages of it, but I should be able to do a quick reenactment of what happened. One element that she did want in it was to have some type of pizza theme to it. So, of course, I'm going to incorporate that because it'll make her happy. That's what's important. Making your partners happy. So right now where we're at is I've routed a cavity and then filled it with yellow epoxy. I actually had a division line for the crust. The router got away from me and blew it out, so I had to take it all off. So I have to route all this out and then fill that with the next color of epoxy and continue on the way of the pizza spice rack. Alright, I'm at a point where I need to plane this all down to get an even surface, get rid of these marks, and then I've got one more element to add to it, which will be a face to make it like, or I haven't really decided yet. You'll get to join me on the journey. I've never had brown mica, so I had to mix primary colors together to figure it out, which I've never had to mix colors to make brown, and my daughter took it as an opportunity to inform me of how to make brown. So this is an actual reenactment of how it went. I don't have a brown mica and I don't have time to order one. Maybe I can Google how to make brown out of the colors I have.
You can mix primary colors to make brown.
What?
I said you can mix primary colors to make brown. Haven't you ever had to mix paints to get brown?
Yeah, well, I'm an adult, so anytime I've needed brown paint, I can just buy it.
Whatever.
Yeah, that's what I live with. And I've thrown this up on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to get everyone's opinion on it, but there ended up being 24 for C, 13 for B, and 7 for A. C is the winner. There'll be no recounts, no need to get lawyers involved. It's official. It's fucking C. It is currently Thanksgiving Day 2020, and before we celebrate and partake in the eating of many things, I'm trying to lay out and figure out the best way to do the spice rack. I don't know why I was attempting to space out what to do with the shells just yet when I still had other work to do, but so I cut it out, and then I spent hours upon hours of filing that down. I still need to clean up some of it. Did a little recess there, and then figured clouds would be kind of a good transition. And now, the sanding. Here's where we stand. I've got everything sanded, shaped, formed, assembled, kinda. I actually have that masked off the pizza because I'm going to paint the body of this. I know that this is a part people get off on this type of thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. What's gonna happen is I'm obviously taking off all the masking tape to see how it looks. And then what I'm going to do is take a Sharpie to outline all of the clouds. Since the pizza has kind of black outlines, like cartoon artwork, that's what I'm going to do with this. Now, had I had more time and more, I guess, foresight when I started this project, I would have done this whole background piece as in epoxy, in resin, just like the pizza, which I think could have looked really cool to do like all the clouds and the sky. Epoxy also. I do have another project in mind similar to this, except it'll be to hold Keurig, like K-cups. I just need to decide on what I want to do for the image, what I want the whole background to be. But it'll probably be a hanging unit also, just like this. This is actually going to be able to be hung on the wall.